Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com. And today I want to share with you one of the coolest things, and it just really stuck out to me as I'm going through my notes from the 4-day marketing event that I just attended. So I'm going to share a quote with you that I wrote down from one of the presenters. I got to present too at this event, which was so fun, and teach all about Pinterest and my marketing funnel. Love. Anyways, I digress. So one of the things that Shanda said as she was speaking was stop managing money, manage your time. And so she said, what's the cost of you wasting 6 months in your business because you're afraid to jump? And so she's basically talking about you're not investing in the skills, or you're not investing in the coaching or the training or something in your business that's going to take you to the next level. And what's the opportunity cost of that? Because you didn't hire that coach or sign up for like whatever it is that you know you need to do, but you're not doing it because you think there are cheaper ways to do it, or you're going to figure it out on your own or DIY it or whatever that might be. What is that costing you? And so if you just bit the bullet and said like, I'm the business owner, like I'm going to step up and play that role of CEO and made that investment, how much money would you be saving 6 months down the road? Because you actually jumped and you valued your time more than you valued the money that it would cost. So I'll give an example here. When we launched, I did my very first launch like at the end of 2017, and I made, it was like, so I had some money in the bank from my very first launch. And then the next time I launched Pin with Purpose, I was like, I know I need to play bigger. And if I want this to be the program that I know it could be, I need someone to help me design a sales page and write copy. So I hired a team and I spent $5,500 to get that done. $5,000, it was something around that. And we ended up literally making like $500 more with that launch. It was a small launch, like one of the very first times. I think it was like the second launch that I did, the first 5-day challenge I did for that launch. And we ended up making about $500 profit. But I had that bigger vision of the next time I launch this, what's that going to look like? So the next time I launched it was 4 or 5 months later. We had a $50,000 launch. And then that program has gone on to make multiple 6 figures. And if I would have said, I'm going to DIY it and figure it out, there's no way it would have had the results that it did. So just a reminder to stop managing money, manage your time.